Are you thinking of starting your very own online academy? If so, what is driving you back? Most people fail to create an online academy because they do not have much technical knowledge. Time has changed a lot, and now, you don't have to be a tech expert to create online learning platforms. All you need is a learning management system, like Acadle. With it, you can launch an online academy without touching a single line of code. You can publish unlimited courses and content. The easier and smarter way to train and engage your employees, customers, customer onboarding, employee training, inbound marketing, white-labeled academies for training and marketing. What is Acadle? Acadle is a comprehensive learning management software that allows you to create, customize, and launch white-labeled academies. It's an alternative to SAP Litmos, Talental MS, and useabble. Acadle best for HR professionals, coaches, and managers who want to create an effective interactive learning experience. With Acadle, you can create an interactive learning experience for your students, customers, partners, and employees. Acadle features. Acadle has a ton of inbuilt features to help you create a platform with the best user experience. Some of the features are given below. Course Builder. Once you have set up your online academy, then you have to publish courses. To make the process even easier, Acadle has an advanced course builder tool. Just choose a template from their pre-built modules and start creating your lessons with ease. Advanced Pixels. Just publishing an online course is not enough. You need to analyze your course performance to maximize results. Acadle allows you to implement any tracking pixels to analyze user behavior data. That way, you can track visitors and optimize where modifications are required. Drag and drop. While you are creating a course, you need to add media files and images to your lessons. To do that, Acadle added an easy-to-use drag and drop feature. Using this feature, you can add media files to your session without touching a single line of code. SEO settings. For a better SEO outcome, Acadle lets you add titles and keywords for each lesson. Live chat integration. It is important to support your online student to grow your academy. Acadle allows you to integrate with third-party live chatting tools to engage with your online student. Acadle overview. Acadle is a comprehensive learning management software that allows you to create, customize, and launch white-labeled academies. Acadle lets you quickly build a customized, white-labeled online academy with unlimited courses, lessons, and resources. Using the advanced course builder, you can drag and drop media files or images to your courses. No tech skills needed. Get started with pre-built modules you can customize to create your lessons and launch your course super fast. Want to transfer the structure or content of an existing course? You can use the clone feature to build or duplicate courses instantly. Acadle lets you white-label your entire academy on a custom domain with your branding to create a seamless user experience. Customize a pre-built template with your brand colors and logo to build a white-labeled user login page. Plus, you'll be able to group your lessons inside the course to organize content just the way you want it. Schedule live courses to stream instantly or drip modules more slowly, locking and unlocking lessons to provide periodic access. You can create interactive lessons with quizzes to track how students are learning while keeping them focused on the material. Use templates to create certificates of completion, so you can celebrate goals and learning milestones. Best of all, Acadle integrates with tons of third-party tools to boost engagement, from chat features and user discussions within lessons to private note-taking. Acadle also makes it easy to monitor a student's progress in real time, right from your dashboard. Get an overview of your academy's performance, including the number of active users and your overall course rating. You can also track individual students and see which activities they've already completed to help them catch up if needed. Acadle gives you all the tools you need to teach your students, customers, and employees with your own white-labeled online academy. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Acadle today. One-time purchase of $79 only.